Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the quarter window on your vehicle doing the wet method. Normally the common way to install a decal on your window is usually the dry method. But in this installation, we're going to show you guys how to do the wet installation method. That way it's easier for you guys to install the decal on your window. So let's get started. So before starting the installation on the quarter window, we want to make sure that the window is clean from any contaminants or any dirt. And also we need to make sure that the window doesn't have any wax or any ceramic properties on it. That way it's easy to install. So all I'm using to clean this window is just soapy water. So it's baby shampoo and water, and we're just cleaning off the window. So because we are doing the wet method installation, the window doesn't need to be dry, just as long as it's clean. So let's get started. So when you receive your product, it is going to come rolled up. So once you receive it, you want to make sure you unroll it. That way we're able to flatten the decal before installing. Instructions will come included. All you need to do is just scan the barcode and it will send you straight to the video installation on how to go about installing it the wet method. Before installing, we're going to lay it flat. That way we help it straighten it out. You don't accidentally want to crease the flag. So make sure it's flat and you're squeegeeing all around. So just double check, make sure there's no creases. Should be good. And we just want to flatten the flag out. So now that we have the flag flat, the next thing to do is peel the transfer tape from the backing. Make sure you go slow. That way you don't accidentally rip the flag or the stripes. And when you're removing the flag, try to keep it stable. And just remove the backing paper slowly. Okay, so once we remove the backing paper from the flag, we want to have the adhesive side facing towards us. So what we want to do is have it on a table and start spraying the slip solution, which contains baby shampoo and water mixed together, and spray all around the flag. That way we're able to move the flag around when we're placing it on the window. So apply the slip solution on the flag and apply slip solution on the window itself. Okay, once you apply the slip solution on the window and on the flag, the next thing is just placing the decal to the window. And because it is wet, now we're able to move the flag around and align it to the position we want it to. So you want to make sure you do this before it dries up. So align it to where it needs to be, matching everywhere. Once you have it aligned to the position you need it to be on your window, the next thing is squeegeeing and removing all of the slip solution from the back of the film. So just make sure you're holding it from one end with one hand and squeegeeing with the other one. That way it doesn't move out of place. So for this one, it's recommended to wait 30 minutes to an hour before removing the transfer tape from the decal itself. So while we wait for this to dry, we could start installing the other side of the decal. So you just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did for this side to the other side of the vehicle. Now that we let the decal dry up, the next thing is just removing the transfer tape. So with this one, when you're removing the transfer tape, you want to start off from the edge where the stars are at and making sure you're just picking off the transfer tape and double checking if it's dry. So make sure it's tacked down. When you're removing the transfer tape, remove it slowly because there are some designs on the star where it cuts out. So you just want to remove everything slow. Take your time and make sure when you're removing it straight down. You're not pulling it towards you. You want to avoid pulling it towards you because if you pull it towards you, you might cause the film to pick up, and we don't want that. We just want to glide the transfer tape down to the window. So just go slow, and I'm just going to speed up the process for you guys. That way you see how it looks once we finish removing it. And from here you want to just remove it straight out, following the stripes, but still we want to take our time removing it. And then if you do see small little water bubbles, just remove them with your squeegee. And that's it. This is how you do the wet installation method. So it's just making sure when you align it, place it where you need it to be, let it dry up from 30 minutes to an hour depending on the weather condition. And then once it's time to remove the transfer tape, making sure you go slow, start from one edge, take your time removing it little by little until you reach the end. And then if you do see any small water bubbles on the back of the film, just grab your squeegee and remove them. Simple as that. You just wipe off the water that's still on top of the flag. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the web method for the decals on your quarter window. If you guys do have any questions on how to go about the installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.